So for today's vlog video, pupunta tayo sa Super Manila 2025. Nandito tayo ngayon sa One Ayala. And pupunta tayo sa 5th floor. Tingnan natin yung vibe ng lugar. And let's see what we can expect, what we can buy. And kung limited budget ka, ano po yung pwede mong makuha. Okay, let's go. Yan. First thing, may pila. Mahaba. Okay, let's go. Actually, nalilito ko anong pila to, ano yung pila doon, and ano yung pila doon sa kabila. Let's check. Hi guys, thanks. Okay, so pasok tayo. Just gonna show you. Ito rin pala yung pila sa kabilang side ha. So medyo maraming pila. Ito yung pila nisa. Ayan. Pero kanina mahaba to. Pero ngayon medyo mas maluwag-luwag na. So let's go inside. Let's check. I'd like to thank my sponsor for today's video. For giving me this, Samsung Electronics. So we'll visit their place later.
So when the readers actually come
So ang ano natin is go straight, tapos go sa side. So first stop natin is the Darna 75. Wow, nice. Darna memorabilia. Ayan. Redondo. Alright, let's go.
I know who that is.
Who?
It's Johnny Cage.
Bagi. Kuya, kaya vlogger ka?
Ay, di po.
Ano ka? Musay niyan?
Cosplayer lang po. First time. What?
Oh, first time. Tignan mo. Okay, so meron din tayong area for posing, for pictures dito sa logo ng Super Manila. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so diretso tayo. Dito naman yung artist alley nila for toys, toy makers, toy creators. May mga artist din naman, mga artist naman, extra edition lang. So, check natin to. Kilala ko to Kilala ko tong art na to Sino ka?
Ako po si Ronnie Pan. Alam mo naman.
Alam mo naman?
Salamat ulit
Sure. Ikaw pa.
Ang sa kasi dito, baby.
Mamaya.
Hindi mo handles.
Ay, mamaya.
Thank you. Oh. Sir, sticker.
Sige, okay lang. Thank you.
Kuha ka, sir.
Kasi kuha na nga ako, insist mo. Okay, thank you. Sticker.
Diba? Papirma natin.
Minus 10%. Kanina niya pa binabalikan. Kaya chinachat niya na kayo. Sabi,
Boss Will.
sabi ko, sige po, ano bumili na ng pagkain.
Baby bro.
Thanks for sharing your wisdom and passion. And now for the fans, I know that a lot of you already love their artwork. Super Manila Comic-Con from Uniqlo and Dashico. Gold sponsors, Mountain Dew, Jollibee, Greenwich, Burger King, Florida Pictures Chainsaw Man the Movie, Resident, Comic Collectible Store, Disney Plus, Fantastic, Hasbro's Transformers, Marvel, Nickelodeon, Warner Brothers Royal Family 2, Noodles, Samsung. Silver sponsors, Pepsi, 7-Eleven, Mastic, BYD, Running Man, Volcano, Media Partners, Millward, Daily Partners, Bale Rolls, One Era, and Space Forever.
Sir Woody ngayon.
Organized by Underworld,
Bala ko po kasi sa print nyo, tapa-frame ko pa. Pero pag may budget, hindi magpapagawa pa po ako ng ano.
Okay, so itong likod ko, itong space na to, apparently is para daw sa meet and greet ni Bro. Pero since I'm not a fan and I really don't care, skip tayo. Okay, thank you. Ay, sorry, balikan pala. Alright, thanks.
And you start seeing in the covers.
Okay. Boss. Hi, boss.
Ay, hello. Kamusta?
Ano, boss? Kumusta? Okay naman kayo dito?
Okay naman. Ano pa, Sintra yung ganito niya. Tapos, kulitan kami, di ko alam may binibili na. Sabi, so, kakasawaran na kami. So, ito siya na standby.
edit ko na nga to eh. Ang cute.
Oo, di ba? Massager.
Ayoko makippublish yung page ko ha. Ayoko maano ako ha.
Hindi, ako, okay lang, share yung picture na sa Lego.
Ganun na lang.
Shoot the blue.
Ganda.
Na ano ka?
Okay.
Kailangan ko yung sarili kong video eh, naano ako eh. Nabudol ako ng sarili kong video eh, nag-unbox na ako. Kasi may 100. Nag-flash out na sila ng mga original 01. Hindi ko lang sa mini-stock na 100.
Kunin ko yung ano, kunin ko dun si Bob Crusher.
Pagka meron, kumuha ko apat eh, hindi ko pa nabubuksan eh.
Ano yun mo na lang sa Jelly Crawl.
Jelly Crown.
I shall name it Jelly Crawl. Damn. Kailan gusto kong zoom? 60 FPS?
Siyempre.
Tapos walang ano, hindi siya yung...
Walang lag.
Skip, walang lag.
Ganda na ito ah.
Walang lag.
Burger King.
Ganda.
Di ba? Shirticon.
Shirticon na.
Ooh.
Store. Disney Plus.
Damn.
Okay.
Okay.
Boarding Bill.
Yan yung regular, di ba?
Oh, regular.
Ganda.
I mean, are you friends on Facebook yet? In one day.
Maker's Camera.
Bubudol ko na kayo. Ganda oh.
Exclusive.
Exclusive.
700
Ganda,
na lang siya. 700.
Ganda.
Laki siya.
Ano? Kukuha ka na? Kukuha ka hindi? I know who you are. You don't even can't even hide from me. Ready, roll. Rolling.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the one and only Prince de Guzman. Prince, we're asking people today, what is that one common Oh,
Okay, thank you.
Alright, good afternoon once again, Super Manila Comic Con 2025. Let's give it up for the Sun Chaser team. A big round of applause for them. And thank you so much for making us proud with your craft. Next up, here we go. His name. So from major campaigns like GMA's Walt is 5 Legacy to his own geek-fueled projects through the camera. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm round of applause please to Jay Tablante.
Nice one. Alright. Hello. Okay, just to start things off, it's both an honor and a little bit of an embarrassing moment for me that I'm here on stage because I'm here as a fan. Pumipila ako dyan. That's what I do. I'm just here as a fan like most of you guys. And for me, comics has always been the first and foremost my base geekdom, close to gaming and anime and all that. But comics has always been close to the heart. But anyway, sige. Just to share with you guys, cosplay photography, it's my letter to fandom because it's something that I eventually came to do over the decades. Sige, I'm getting ahead of my slides. I started to shoot. So like I said, I've been shooting cosplay for 22 years already. So that's from like table G already. But anyway, like I said, I was never a talented photographer to start off, but I knew I always wanted to be a creative person. And I'll share later on is how I ended up having this idea in my head and having to solve that problem of bringing life goal ever since I wanted to solve that problem. Well, how can I have an awesome concept and come up with a image for a product? So, what I'll share with you guys. So, by the way, later on, I've been for questions about this happening.
Pero pag nakuha mo
Thank you. Anyway, so, is, I guess again, iba yung color treatments nila. One is hot, one is cool in terms of color palette. So when you juxtapose them together, it looks pretty, you can see the complementarity and the separation. Thank you.
Okay, so ito yung pila ng Tomica. Ayan. Apparently may mga exclusives. Ano po? Ano? Ayan. May McFarlane din. Dito mga tayo.
I officially look.